Hi guys, welcome to Team Tech Dom. In this video, we're going to look at exercise 4.3, counting to 20 with the for loop. It's from the book Python Crash Course by Eric Matisse. So the question says, exercise 4.3, counting to 20. Use a for loop to print the numbers from 1 to 20, inclusive. So inclusive means we are also including 20. Let's do this. Okay, so we have to print the numbers from 1 to 20. So using the for loop, that will be for number, being called the variable number in range. My range is going to start from 1 and end in 21. Print number. So this range function is going to create a series of number, and you specify the start index, that's the start number. The start number is 1 and we want it to stop at 20. So since we are saying 21, it's going to stop at 20. This is that one-off rule in Python. So this is like saying generate a series of numbers starting with 1, then stop at the number before 21. This is not going to include 21. It's just going to stop at the number before 21, which is 20. So since I want 20 to be included in this series of number, I'm going to specify the stop number to be 21. This is it. So here's our output. I'm printing a series from 1 and I'm stopping at 20. But if I should specify 20 here, it's going to start from 1 and stop at 19, which is the number before 20. So 20. And since the question says 20 inclusive, I need to add one more number to this stopping number. So that's why I'm using 21 here. So this is that one-off rule in Python. And run this again. Okay, so that's it for this video. Please like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thank you for watching.